This is the most hype earbuds of 2021. To understand about why there is a lot of hype around this product, we must know the origin of the company. You might know OnePlus, right? It's a brand known for breaking through the barriers of the tech giants, their official tagline being never settle, and they used to offer every top tier spec for the cheapest price available. Well, not anymore. Now, they offer a bunch of different products like TVs, smartwatches, smart bands, earbuds, neck bands, and accessories. And not to mention that their phone releases went from 2 to 7 last year. At the same time, there is Apple. While introducing the iPhone 7, they removed the headphone jack. And 30 minutes later, they created a solution to the problem that they created half an hour earlier by introducing the AirPods. If you cut off AirPods from Apple and made it as our own company called the AirPods Inc., that alone would be worth more than $175 billion. More money on top of already making more money. Two different stories, but here comes nothing. See, nothing here, one review, and nothing in the background, Easter eggs. Carl Pei spent almost a year hyping about a peculiar company whose motto is to create minimalistic tech that blends into the background. My impressions were that nothing is going to be another phone company similar to OnePlus, but I was surprised when they started off with an audio product. Earbuds that aren't an afterthought for just releasing along with the phone and getting profits, just standalone earbuds. These better be good. The hardest design choice is to make a tech product that has transparent components. Though it is subjective opinion whether these earbuds blend into the background, I like how it went from another earbud to identifiable and unique looking earbuds. The glue that connects each part of the stem has to be neat and should hold the components and work properly. The battery has to be neat, the printing on the PCB has to fit into the aesthetics, and the microphone, magnets, everything has to be neat and laid out perfectly. They have done that, so props to that. The case that the earbuds come with is a semi-transparent, weird but unique looking case that acts as an off-center fidget spinner, and it's not easily pocketable. The durability of the case is not much known because I'm careful enough to not drop it, but people say that the case is more prone to scratches. Only time will tell. It took some time for me to get used to putting the earbuds in the case, especially because of its weird design. The earbuds are lightweight and are comfortable to wear. They fit well, but not as well as the AirPods Pro or OnePlus Buds Z for me. I have a feeling that they might drop at any moment. Most people don't really care about the sound quality. As long as the earbuds emit sound without any hiccups, the consumer is satisfied. People spend more money on earbuds for brand value and earbuds to look cool when they wear them. And next only comes the sound and the other features. Nothing has figured that out, and their main priority is on the design. So the sound quality for the price, it's fine. Do they sound drastically better than the cheaper earbuds? No. But do they provide more features than the cheaper earbuds? Yes. The earbuds have 11.6mm driver and Bluetooth 5.2, which means higher quality audio, better battery, and better range. But I do have a question running on my mind. If it weren't for the design to be transparent, would they have done a better job in the active noise cancellation? Because I didn't feel much of a difference between the light and the maximum levels of active noise cancellation indoors. However, when I used the maximum level of active noise cancellation on the flight, the difference was quite noticeable. Being able to disappear into your own bubble while watching media or listening to music and cutting a major chunk of airplane noise was helpful. The low active noise cancellation mode doesn't create some external pressure like the high mode. In my opinion, this can be called as the transparency mode, as you can hear the surrounding sounds clearly, as well as it doesn't ruin the experience. It is similar to the passive noise cancellation on the other earbuds, like the OnePlus Buds Z. You won't notice the active noise cancellation in the minimum levels of volume, even though the sound is loud. To experience the active noise cancellation, you have to go above the minimum levels of volume and go outside, cause the earbuds cut the white noise better only outdoors. Indoors, you can still hear other sounds up to close vicinity. It doesn't completely seal the white noise like the over-ear headphones or the higher-end active noise cancellation earbuds. While hearing songs, the active noise cancellation is clearly visible. The vocal clarity and bass boost is better for music than in media. Overall, the active noise cancellation is only half as powerful as the higher-end earbuds, but I'm pretty impressed with the active noise cancellation for the price. If you hold down the stem, it will enable the transparency mode, which amplifies the incoming waves and increases the white noise, which I personally hated. It increases each and every single external sound along with additional white noise. It's irritating. Like I said earlier, the light active noise cancellation mode is worthy enough to be called as the transparency mode, and if I were to ask some favor to nothing, it would be to remove the current transparency mode and take the light active noise cancellation mode, rename it to transparency mode, and remove the levels of active noise cancellation. There is also the default mode, which removes the FM radio-like feeling from the transparency mode and pressure feeling from the active noise cancellation mode. To describe the equalizer in layman's terms, the balance mode is everything is balanced. The more bass is, the bass heavy beats are high. More treble is the side music is clearly noticeable. And the final being voice, which gives priority to the voice and reduces the volume of the music, which I didn't use. I used the balanced equalizer and more bass at times. The earbuds have gestures like triple tap for previous or next song, tap and hold for noise cancellation, swipe up for volume up, and swipe down for volume down. There is no assistant trigger, and the triple tap does pain. A double tap would have been fine, but I'm happy that we got volume controls, so it's fine. There is also auto play pause and find my earbuds feature. The earbuds are also IPX4 splash proof and sweat resistant. Apart from spatial audio, every spec from a higher end earbuds is ticked. And there is also no problem with the latency while gaming. The earbuds have 20 to 30 hours battery life with the case, and standalone they have a battery life of 4 hours with active noise cancellation and 6 hours without active noise cancellation. The charging is by USB Type-C and wireless charging feature is also available. Nothing's marketing might be unusual. I haven't seen a company actively promoting NFTs and accepting transaction through cryptocurrencies, and actively ask people to invest in their company and promote their company using free media like Twitter. 20-minute events that literally have nothing and backed up by YouTubers like Casey Neistat and Lou from Unbox Therapy. Take a look at the story of creating the black version of the Nothing Ear ones. Casey Neistat just casually marking out the white parts of the white Nothing Ear ones by black and then promoting black earbuds and launching exclusive hundreds of Nothing Ear One giveaways with Lou from Unbox Therapy. They also have a Nothing launcher which is in beta version and it's available to Android 11 or above devices. They have awesome UI from the Nothing Ear One app, and their branding is on point from their Ear One app and also their launcher. Their main objective is to compete with the products and ecosystem of Apple, and their smartphone is releasing this summer. The earbuds are priced at 6,000 rupees, which is priced at the sweet spot, and it does justify the price with the features it provides. If you made it this far into the video, well, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. If you're curious about most bought phone in 2020, with over 11.4 million sales worldwide, what did Samsung get right with this phone? Click here, I'll see you over there. This is NikhilvKanna signing out. Peace.